welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel. And for the rest of you watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, I'll wait. Click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today, I have a Restock Ulta haul to share with you guys. I took advantage of the 20% off coupon that Ulta sent me, and I restocked a lot of products that I have been using for a long time now. Some of these products I've used for many years, some of them I've just used for a few months, but I'm already in need of a backup for them. And actually, in looking at my haul, there's only 2 items in here that are brand new to me. And yeah, let's get into this. The first item that I have to share with you guys is from one of my favorite brands, and this is the brand Origins. I have been using Origins skincare since I was in my 20s. I am 37 right now, and I just love all of their products, specifically this one. This is the Ginseng Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturizer. This does contain SPF 40. This is probably the 5th time that I purchased this moisturizer. It retails at Ulta, I believe, for $39. I will leave links to all of the products I'm using or I'm showing you guys in the description box down below, and I'll also run the price and name on the bottom of the screen. But this is a slight tinted moisturizer. When you apply it, it doesn't really go on tinted. Let me show you what it looks like. It's more of a white color. And then as you blend it out over time, it's supposed to give a nice tint to your skin. I usually can't really tell if it gives me a nice tint because I usually put makeup on over it. But I guess you can kind of see right there, there is a slight, I know there's definitely a glow, and that's what I like about it. But I guess you can see that it's slightly tinted a little bit, but I like that it's not like overly tinted. It's not obvious. And it just really does a great job at hydrating my skin. I am a normal to oily skin type, and this doesn't cause any breakouts. It doesn't cause excess oil on my skin. It has a slight fragrance, more like a plant-based fragrance, I guess, but that dissipates as soon as you apply it. And I have been loving this product for years. I always have it in my stash. And again, 39 bucks at Ulta or wherever Origins products are sold. The next item I have to share with you guys is one that I discovered a couple months ago, actually, and I loved it so much that I picked up a backup for it. This is actually what I'm going to keep in my travel bag. This is by IT Cosmetics, and this is the Brush Bath. Guys, if you haven't tried this for cleaning your makeup brushes, you absolutely need to give it a shot. I believe this retails for $18, and again, I picked it up at Ulta. All you have to do with it is just spray it onto your brush, and then you get your brush and you can kind of swirl it into like a washcloth or a napkin or something like that, and the product just completely comes out. This is fantastic to use when you're going to be transitioning from darker shades to lighter shades because you don't want to have any transfer over. And this really does leave your brushes clean and they dry almost instantaneously, guys. I cannot say enough great things about it. It smells nice too. This is a great and easy way to clean your makeup brushes, especially if you don't shampoo them as often as you should. This is a great thing to use in between those washes. The next item I have is one you've seen me use a million times here on my channel, and that is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I live for this stuff. I use it every day. I use it twice throughout my makeup application. I use it once when I have my foundation, concealer, and powder on, and then I use it after I apply my blush, bronzer, and highlight. I don't use it as my final setting spray, but I use it in the beginning stages of my makeup application, and it just helps everything mesh well together. It is an aerosol spray. This retails for $16, I believe, at Ulta and of course on the Morphe website. But I love this stuff. I think this is the 6th or 7th bottle that I purchased now, and I just can't say enough great things about it. No fragrance. It just does a great job at setting your makeup, at just helping everything mesh well together. That is the only way I know how to describe this product. It just meshes and seamlessly blends everything with each other. The next item that I have to share with you guys is one that I mentioned in my October favorites video, and that is the NYX micro eyebrow pencil. I picked up the shade Auburn because, well, I have a slight, you know, my hair color didn't really last as long as it said it was going to, but I guess you can kind of see it's still a little bit red. But I do want to incorporate, I don't dye my eyebrows whenever I dye my hair, but I wanted to incorporate some of, you know, the reddish colors into my eyebrows. So I do use this. I have it on right now, and I pair it with the ABH Dip Brow. So I use them both together, but this is just a really great little fine micro eyebrow pencil to kind of define the eyebrow area, to really just, you know, make the tail end over here and just fill in wherever needed to kind of outline them, give them a shape, and then I can fill in with my dip brow. And really do love this. I believe this one was $10, but I got this at like a buy one get one half off plus my 20% off coupon. So really love taking advantage of this. It does have a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other. The next item I picked up is from Beauty Blender, and this is their liquid cleanser. And guys, if you have a dupe for this, a good dupe, I would love for you to leave it in the comments below because I have not been able to find one. I know people have said that the baby shampoo, the Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, is a dupe for this, but no, I didn't find that to be true. So if you have any great beauty sponge cleaner recommendations, I would love to hear them. But the way I use this, guys, is I make sure I have warm water coming out of my faucet and I get my beauty sponge. I dampen the beauty sponge. I make sure it is moist. Then I drizzle a little bit on top of it, and then I just kind of swirl it up into my hand, kind of, you know, smash it together, and you can see all of the foundation, all of the product that comes out of the beauty sponge. And this has been the one thing that I have used for quite a long time. What I like to do with my beauty sponges is use them twice, and then I put it in my dirty pile, and then every Sunday typically I wash them with this cleanser and warm water, and it really does a great job at taking all the product out. This retails for $18 and it's available wherever Beauty Blender products are sold. But yeah, if you have a dupe for this, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and what you use instead of this. The next item I got is the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. I picked up 2 of them and I have one already. I absolutely love it. I think that is my new favorite beauty sponge. This to me does a fantastic job at applying my foundation, my concealer, my powder, whatever I use it for. I get such a nice blend with this, and I can honestly not tell a difference between this and the $20 Beauty Blender. I think they both work fantastic, but I am definitely a huge fan of this e.l.f. makeup sponge. I highly recommend this one and the Wet n Wild one. They're both great. They're both the same price, and I picked up 2 of them in this haul because you can never have enough beauty sponges around. The next 2 items I'm going to share with you guys are actually new products that I have not tried, but they're one of my favorite and trusted drugstore brands that Ulta sells, and that is NYX. And I picked up the Bear With Me. This is the multitasking spray. It says you can use this as a primer to set and refresh makeup. It fixes makeup, and I've seen a lot of great reviews on this. I know a lot of beauty influencers here on YouTube. I see them use this throughout their makeup application. So it's something that I wanted to give a try. And again, the NYX products that particular day were buy one, get one half off. So that is the reason why I decided to go with this one. And another item that I have been wanting for a while, and it's just one of those items you keep in your cart and then you never end up buying it. Like you take it out and then you put it back, and then you take it out and you put it back. And that is also from NYX. And let me take it out of the packaging. This is the Silicone eyeshadow brush, and it's a dual-ended. This is the smaller side, and then this is the larger side. It says this is going to be perfect for applying glitter eyeshadows, and with the holidays coming around, and let's be honest, let's be real, I love to wear glitter on my eyes. I love a nice dramatic eye, as you can tell right now. So I thought this would be great for applying those glitter products to my eyes, and it does feel like silicone. I haven't tried it yet. I just got it today, so I'm really anxious to play around with this. I'm going to use it with a new palette that I just received yesterday. This says that it's the number 36 brush. It has a number 36 there. So this retails for $12. But again, buy one, get one half off on the NYX products. That's the special that Ulta was running. So that is why I picked up both of these products, and I cannot wait to try this. Again, it's a product that I've been wanting to try for quite a while, and I finally got it. So that is all that I have for you guys today on my Restock Ulta haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys use any of these products, or if you have any questions on the products that I got. I'd love to hear from you guys. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.